This is Mahmudasa Meraz. Welcome to another solution tutorial of SolidWorks. Today we are going to solve this 3D problem. In this 3D problem, this is the isometric view and this is our top view. Then this is our detailed view of a is given here. So first of all, I'll start drawing from the top plane. In the top plane, I'll draw a center rectangle, and this center rectangle has a dimension of 100 100, so it will be 200 unit in this side. Then we have a dimension another of 330 unit. After that, we can see it has a inner rectangle, and this inner rectangle has a offset of 25 unit. Okay, after that we can see, if we go back to our detail view, and for drawing this detail view, I'll draw a center line. Okay, and this center line has a distance of 20 unit, and it has a here to here distance of 240 divided by 2, so it will be 120 unit. Okay, then we can see it has a vertical distance of 54 unit, and from this center line, uh, from this 20 unit center line, I'll draw two offset line, and this two offset line has a total distance of 30 unit. Then I'll close the shape. Okay, then after that we can see we have another uh, extrude rectangular cut and a semicircle, and for this extrude cut portion I'll draw a center line along this profile, and this center line has a distance of we can see 20 plus 3 minus 6 unit, so it will have a total distance of 23 minus 6 unit. Okay, this distance. Then I'll draw two center line, and this two center line has two line offset line, and this two offset line has a total distance of 12 unit. Then I'll use the cap paint art tool for drawing. Then I use the T matrix, and finally I will get this shape. Okay, after getting one of this shape here, I'll use the center line to mirror this along the other line. I'll use the two center line and mirror other four of them. And lastly, you can see here in this inner four corners. Okay, and these corners we have a fillet, and this fillet has a radius of 3 unit, radius of 3 unit, and radius of 3 unit. Then we can see these outer corners, and each of the outer corners here has a radius of 10 units. So let's go to our SolidWorks. So first of all, I'm selecting the top plane from here. Now right click on it, now sketch, then normal to it. Now select the center rectangle from here and drawing a center rectangle, and this center rectangle has a dimension of 100 multiplied by 2, and other distance is 330 unit. Okay, it has a total distance of 200 by 330 unit. So after drawing this rectangle, we will draw an inner rectangle of offset of 25 units. So I'm selecting this offset, and we have an offset of 25 unit. Now select the uncheck the bidirectional, uncheck the capping. Now select the lines. Okay, I'm selecting all the lines, so we will get a offset of 25 units line from here. Okay, then I'm going to select a center line and draw a center line here, and this center line has a distance of 20 unit. After drawing these center lines, let's go to smart dimension. Okay, and select here to here, the distance is 54 unit. Okay, the distance is 54 unit. So this portion has been done. Now we need to offset this center line. For that, I am selecting the offset increase, and it has a total offset of 30 unit. So 30 divided by 2, so it will be 15 unit. Make sure to select bidirectional, cap paint, and select line. Now press OK. So this portion has been done quite well. You can zoom it here and see all the lines. Okay, now it's time for select the trim entities. So I'm selecting the trim entities and trimming all the unnecessary line that we don't need. So we have trimmed all the unnecessary line that we don't need. Now again select the center line, and this time the center line has a distance of 20 plus 3 the extra length of the arc. now minus 6 the radius, so it will have a 17 unit distance. Okay, now select the offset increase. Now select this line, and this time we will offset it to 12 unit. So 12 divided by 2, so half distance will be 6 unit. Now make sure to select capping. Now select the arc from here. Now press OK. Now select the trim interest from here and trim all the necessary line that we don't need. So we have trimmed all the necessary line that we don't need. Now we need to mirror this same thing in the other four direction also. For that I am selecting a center line and drawing to center line. Okay, I'm drawing an horizontal center line, and again I'm selecting the center line tool from here and drawing another vertical center line. Okay, our two center line has been drawn. Now select the mirror entities. First of all, I need to mirror these lines. Okay, I have selected all the lines that I need to mirror, and I want to mirror this along this center line. Okay, so we have mirrored. It is the mirror preview. Now press OK. So our this center line portion, this mirroring has been done. Now we need to mirror this two portion to the other side also, and for that I am again selecting the mirror entities from here, and we need to mirror this side of the arc, uh, this side of the things, and also zoom it here and also select the other side also. So all the things has been selected for mirroring. Now I'm selecting mirror about. I want to mirror about this center line. We have got the mirror preview. Now press OK. So all the mirroring has been done. Now we can see this portion we don't have any crossed line, but if we zoom it here, we have some crossed lines, so we need to trim these extra lines. For that I'm selecting the trim entities from here and trimming these extra lines that we don't need. In the same way, go to other side also and trim the unnecessary line that we don't need. Okay, all the line has been trimmed away. Now press OK. Okay, now we need to fillet everything. For that I'm selecting the fillet tools from here, and this time I will fillet it to 3 units. So filleting it to 3 unit, and first of all select this two corner and these two inner corners, and select and go to our second portion and select this side corner and select this two inner corner. The similarly same way the other side, do the same thing also. And now it is our last one, so same way do the fillets. So all the fillets has been done here. Now we need to do the fillets of inner side. For that we need to select this inner corner, then zoom it here. We need to select this inner corner, then again come to this side and select these two corners also. Now press OK. So all the fillets has been done. If you zoom it here, all the fillets has been done, we can see that. And now it's time for our 10 unit fillets. So we give our 10 unit fillets, and 10 unit fillets is to the all the outer corners of the rectangle of our big rectangle. So we are going to zoom it here and giving it a fillet. Okay, now press OK. So our all the fillet has been done. Now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. And now if we go back to our sketch, we can see we have a 12 unit extrude boss. So we'll give a 12 unit extrude boss. So I'm going to features. Now extrude boss. Now extrude boss it to 12 unit. Okay, I'm extrude bossing it to 12 unit. From midplane or blind you can select as you want. Now press OK. So our 12-minute fillet has been done. So extrude boss has been done. So as you can see, we have drawn our 3D sketch. Thank you for watching till the end.
Thanks for watching, and keep learning. Be different.